The cat spraying no more is the system that is created professionally and proven to work to stop your cat peeing where it shouldn't. It helps to prevent that kind of smelly nuisance. It is the step-by-step guide which is easy to follow that helps to train your pet to stop peeing outside the litter box. It is 100% effective and is recommended to all pet lovers. What will you learn? How to work out outWHYyour your cat is peeing in the house in the first place. It helps you to find out the reasons why your cat pees outside the litter box. Tested and proven ways to ensure your cat uses the litter box. Herbal Repellent mix that will break the cat's peeing cycle and unwanted areas permanently. How to use cat's own instincts to stop peeing outside the litter box. How to eliminate cat stress that makes it pee in wrong places. Signs to determine cat's inappropriate peeing or spraying. Rules to set up a litter box. 3 real-life examples. Natural and herbal remedies proven to stop cat peeing in house. Weird trick that makes your cat to pee in the litter box. How and a tea to deal with a cat peeing problem. Creator behind the Cat Spraying No More program. The author of this program, Cat Spraying No More, is Sarah Richards. Her cat name is Timmy. She was working as a veterinary technician for the SPCA. She adopted a cat that came for the treatment and named it Timmy. But Timmy's toilet habit was a big problem for Sarah. It would pee everywhere, like on the furniture, kitchen's corner, bed, clothes except the litter box. It resulted in spending a lot of money to wash and change the items. Finally, she got a weird but unbelievable effective trick from a cat behavior specialist named Laura. I had to encourage Timmy to start peeing in the litter box. It worked so well, and later Sarah got some more tips that solved the problem completely. To share these tips to others, Sarah created a simple step-by-step guide with illustrations named Cat Spraying No More System. Do I get any additional offers? The creator offers bonuses along with the purchase of this program. These additional bonuses that helps to enhance the results. They are absolutely free and improves your overall well-being. Bonus offered. The author of this ebook gives you best support by providing bonus products to improve your results. It includes simple tips without spending any additional cost. You can get the best results with these bonus gifts. Where can I download this program? This excellent program to enhance your results is available only in the official website of the creator. To get this program, just click the link provided and download within few minutes by making the payment. Get the program here. Are you willing to download this program and enjoy its benefits? Then you can get it right here. Click the link below and download this effective ebook with special offers. Doing this will ensure that you will get the real thing. Buy the ebook now. If you are once struggling with the same problem, then you have a chance to get rid of it by making use of the tips involved in the program. Click the Buy Now button, make the payment, and download the program. It is available only in soft copy, which can be used from where you are. You can access the program through the mobile, laptop, and computer. Do you like to access Cat Spraying No More now? If you are interested in this program, then you can get instant access by downloading the ebook now. Click the button below and save at your device once you make the payment. Making purchase from the official site ensures that you'll get the real thing and also makes the investment safe. Where you can buy this product. You can buy this product in the official website only. It is recommended to buy this from the product site that helps you to avail special non-public offers from the creator. The program is not available in local stores. Instead, you can access it in digital format once you purchase. You can read anywhere and anytime, as it can be downloaded in mobile, tablet, and laptop. I recommend you buying this product. Discount link in the description.